Hi everyone, Brypone here, and this is my channel, Attack and Defense. And what we're going to do here is we're going to focus on cybersecurity. We're going to teach the blue team, red team stuff, and we're going to teach the red team, blue team stuff. So kind of a focus on purple team. But the idea here is that we're going to show everything. We're going to show the attack, we're going to show the tool, we're going to then show how to catch the tool, we're then going to show how to block the tool from working, and if we have to, get all the way down into the forensics of it to make sure that we're covering the entirety of common attack vectors. Things like Kerber roasting, password spraying, these things that I keep seeing in my consulting where organizations are not detecting these threats. Red teams are they just get away with murder constantly, and these easy threats they slip right by these teams. So I want to educate people on how to detect some of this low-hanging fruit and even some of the more advanced attacks too. So we're going to start with Kerberos relaying, which is kind of a new technique, a little fun, and we'll keep making these videos. So if you like this channel, please subscribe, like, and we'll keep making these. Thank you.